Opening slide graphic text title, Volunteering Matters, Davi and Back2Bikes, with image of Davi Ekman. Logos, Belonging Matters, Back2Bikes, the LMC Group and talksthatmatter.net. Davi sitting on a bike in front of workshop telling a story and performing volunteer duties. Mark Bradley, Back2Bikes manager and vision of Davi working on bikes.
So Back2Bikes is a not-for-profit community bike workshop. We're in Port Melbourne and we're here with the assistance of the City of Port Phillip who provide the working environment, the shed for us. We're staffed by volunteers. We take donated bikes which we either refurbish, we strip the parts or we send all the metal off for recycling. Every 5 bikes that we sell, we donate one to people in need.
Davi and vision of Davi with customer.
I love the Back2Bike help the people with the customers and selling the tyre, brake and skiers.
Davi and Helen in bike workshop testing a wheel and chain of an upside down bike. Helen and vision of Helen and Davi working on bikes.
Davi and I have been coming here for nearly 2 years. We do a lot of cleaning of the bikes when people are stripping the bikes and we just get the frame. We also pull apart any bikes that are needed to be stripped.
Davi and Helen restoring a wheel to a bike. Mark and vision of Davi carrying a heavy toolbox and degreasing bike chain.
Davi's great. He provides a good added dimension and colour to the post. Most of what he loves, getting down and cleaning things. He really gets in there, very laboriously de-rust things or gets grease off.
Davi testing pedals and wheel of a bike. Davi and vision of Davi riding in the Ride Around the Bay bike ride.
Me and having a bike ride around a park sometime. And you're going to run around the road before. To the bay, 3K.
Davi and Helen testing the gears on a bike outside.
Did the gears work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Jogging.
Image of Davi and Helen after finishing the Ride Around the Bay bike ride. Closing slide graphic text with thanks to Davi Ekman, Julie Ekman, Helen Bean, Mark Bradley, Nellie Goodwin Welch, Back2Bikes, the LMC Group, Osher Marks, voice artist. This video was made possible with the support of an information and capacity building grant through the Department of Social Services. Produced by Belonging Matters. Belonging Matters makes every effort to provide accurate and up-to-date material. However, information is subject to change, and our materials for reference only. This video was produced on the land of the Bunurong peoples of the southeastern Kulin Nation. Logos, Belonging Matters, talksthatmatter.net.